Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's on mobile. The only way to experience the full, authentic game is by downloading it from your official app store, like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure your device has enough storage, typically around 200 megabytes, and a stable internet connection for the initial download. This ensures you get the legitimate version, offering the complete, thrilling experience as intended by the developers. Once you've launched the game, your primary goal is to survive from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. for 5 consecutive nights. You'll be stationed in a security office, equipped with a monitor to view various camera feeds. Pay close attention to the animatronics' positions and movements. Remember, you have a finite power supply, which depletes with every action, so strategic management is absolutely crucial for your survival. To maximize your chances of survival, power conservation is key. Avoid constantly checking cameras or keeping lights on. Instead, learn the unique behaviors of each animatronic. For instance, Foxy often runs down the West Hall, requiring a quick door closure. Listen for distinct sounds like footsteps or breathing, which signal an animatronic's proximity. Reacting swiftly to these cues will significantly increase your odds of making it to 6 a.m. As you progress, you'll find that mastering Five Nights at Freddy's requires more than just basic survival. Try to anticipate animatronic movements rather than just reacting. After completing the main 5 nights, you can unlock custom nights, allowing you to adjust the difficulty of each character. This provides endless replayability and a chance to truly test your skills against the most challenging combinations. Consistent practice will make you a true night guard expert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.